Hello traders. In this video I will share expert advisors using the hedge method. Hedging with Forex is a strategy used to protect one's position in a currency pair from an adverse move. It is typically a form of short-term protection when a trader is concerned about news or an event triggering volatility in currency markets. I will explain a few things about the Advanced Hedge Expert Advisor. Keep watching this video until the end and don't skip it so you can get all the information. For those of you who have subscribed to this channel, I thank you and welcome to join the HG Trade channel. And for those of you who haven't subscribed, if you are interested in getting a free expert advisor every time I upload a video, you can subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss it when I upload a video. 1. Requirements for using EA. For a detailed explanation of Advanced Hedge, I have also explained on the website eatrade.com. You can check on the website. Requirement: Advanced Hedge runs on Euro to US dollar, Pound sterling to US dollar, Gold ounce per US dollar, and can run on BTC/USD as well. Suitable for running on the M15 time frame. For broker and VPS recommendations, I have included it on this website and in the video description. If you are interested, you can register via the link that I have provided. 2. Details of trading results. This is the result of a trade that has been carried out by an expert advisor and advanced hedge developer. Using a deposit of $5,000 US, and have made a profit of around $1,383 US and 74 cents. The biggest drawdown that occurred was around 20%. New trading starts from February 2023. The total profit that has been obtained so far is at 27.67%. Trading history. There are 3 pairs that are conducted. Statistics. Here you can pay attention to the results of advanced hedge trading. Total transactions from February to date are 213 transactions, with a profit ratio of 73%. The profit factor that is obtained at 2.85. The maximum consecutive loss is 6 transactions or about $235 US. And a maximum of 10 consecutive win transactions. Trading per week 83 transactions, with an average holding time of 1 day. The biggest advantage is the pound sterling to US dollar pair. The drawdown that occurred was quite large, namely around $1,129 US. Here we can note the lowest equity around $4,433 US, or down more than $1,000 US from equity $5,500 US. 3. Download Expert Advisor and setting parameters. If you are interested in trying the Advanced Hedge Expert Advisor, I have distributed it for free on the eatrade.com website. Press the download button and download the MT4 Forex file. Install in your MetaTrader terminal. For the settings that I use like this, I just changed the spread settings. In this test I am interested in running the Euro to US dollar and GBPS/USD pairs only. The time frame that I use is M15. Okay, I think the video about Expert Advisor Advanced Hedge has ended here. The conclusion is that this expert advisor is not suitable to run with small capital. After seeing the drawdown results, at least you need $2,000 US to avoid the drawdown that occurs. Don't forget, before using real money, you need to try it first on a demo account at least 1 or even more. I hope one day you can be financially successful. Thanks for watching till the end. Support this channel by clicking subscribe, clicking like and sharing. Thank you.